students who are here to chant some beautiful shlokas, and I am going to introduce to you Premlata Unnikrishnan, who is going to introduce herself as Agastya Gurukulam and tell us what you do. I know you all teach Sanskrit to the children and also the Sanskrit shloka recitation. How long have you been connected with Agastya?
I have been associated with Agastya for the past 3 years or so. However, I have been actively teaching at Agastya for the past 8 months, and I teach Kantasthikaranam of various subjects, Kantasthikaranam and Sanskritam, and Kantasthikaranam means memorization. And these kids who are 5 years and 6 years old, they have memorized the Ekatmata Stotram, which talks about the entire beauty of Bharatam. They are 32 plus 1, 33 slokas. The first 32 slokas speak about the greatness of Bharatam, including her great poets, her great warriors, the great rivers and the great mountains that flow through her. And the final sloka talks about the person who says this with devotion is a true son or a daughter of Bharatam. So totally 33 shlokas, this they have learned over a period of 4 months.
Oh, wonderful.
Namaste Rupaya Paramatmane Jyotirmaya Swarupaya Vishwamangalya Murtaye Prakatil Panchabhutani Grahalokaswarastatha Deshatkalasya Sarvesham Sada Kurvantu Mangalam Ratnakaradhautapadam Himalaya Kiritini Brahmarajarshi Ratnadyam Vande Bharata Mataram Mahendro Malayasayo Devadatma Himalaya Heyo Raivata Govindyo Girishcharavalisthatha Ganga Saraswati Sindhur Brahmaputra Gandaki Kaveri Yamuna Deva Krishna Godavanadi Ayodhya Mathura Maya Kashi Kanchi Avantika Vaishali Dwaraka Deya Puri Takshasila Gaya Prayaga Patali Putram Vijayanagaram Mahat Indraprastham Somanathaha Tatamritasara Priyam Chaturvedah Puranani Sarvopanishatashtata Ramayanam Bharatam Cha Gita Shaddarshanani Cha Jainagamastu Pitikaha Guru Grantha Shatangira Esha Jnanadite Shreshtaha Sarveyoditi Sarvada Arundatyana Suryacha Savitri Janaki Sati Draupadi Kannagi Gargi Meera Durgavati Tata Lakshmi Ahalya Chandamma Rudramanga Suvikrama Nivedita Sharada Cha Pranamya Mata Devata Shri Ramo Bharatah Krishna Bhishmo Dharmastatha Arjunaha Markandeyo Harishchandraha Alado Narado Dhruvaha Hanumanjanako Vyaso Vasishtashya Shuko Balihi Gadiji Vishwakarmano Ditu Balmiki Bhargava Bhagirataschaikalavyo Manu धर्मन्तरिस्तथा विश्चरन्ति देवश्च पुराणो गीर्तकीर्तयः बुद्धजिनेन्द्रगोरक्ष पाणिनिश्च पतञ्जलिः शङ्करो मघ्वनिं पार्को श्रीरामानुजवल्लभौ चैतन्यः तिरुवल्लुवरस्तथा नायन्मारालराश्च कम्बश्च वशवेश्वरः देवलो रविदासश्च गुरुप्रो गुरुनानकः नरसि तुलसीदासो दशमेशो धृदाग्रदः श्रीमच्छङ्करदेवश्च बन्धुसायनमाधवौ ज्ञानेश्वरस्तुकारामो रामदासपुरन्दरः विरसासहजानन्दो रामानन्दः सदा महान् वितरन्तु सदैवैते दैवीं सद्गुणसम्पदाम् वरदश्रीकालिदासः श्रीमोजो जनकस्तथा सूरदासत्यागराजो दशखानश्च सत्कविः रविवर्मा भाटकन्दे भाग्यचन्द्रसभूपतिः कलावन्तस्तविख्याता ननीया निरन्तरम् अगस्त्याकम्बुकौडिन्यौ राजेन्द्रश्चोलवंशजः अशोकपुत्रमृतश्च कारवेलसुनीतिमान् चाणक्यचन्द्रगुप्तौ च शालिवाहनः समुद्रगुप्तश्रीहर्ष शैलेन्द्रो परावलः लाचित् भास्करवर्मा च धर्मनहूनजित् श्रीकृष्णदेवरायश्च ललितादित्य उत्बलः मुहुनीनायकौ तौ शिवभूपतिः रणजित्सिंह इत्येते मीराविक्रमः वैज्ञानिकाश्च कपिलः कलादर्शसुतस्तथा शरको भास्कराचार्यो वराहमिहिरस्तुजित् नागार्जुनो भरद्वाजो आर्यभट्टो विदुर्बुधः
the entire 9-minute shlok they have memorized. None of them stammered.
Could see this. This is
And
such
the-
an awesome.
Sanskrit kind of, the way you all pronounce the Sanskrit words, so perfect.
Yes.
Let me tell you, I'm very proud of each and every one of you. And when you all grow up, I want you to be here. I will be reciting from there and you can be recording me and putting it on air. You are such wonderful people. You all deserve a round of applause and a lot of kind of blessings to all of you. And you all kind of know what this is about, like the meaning of who is that we praised and how you taught Bharat Mata is everything of Lord Ram's empire. Did you have that learning done with the kids?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, wonderful. Tell me, how did you get inspired in introducing this shloka to them?
This one of our, I came to know about this through one of our founders, Miss Archana. And this is a shloka that is being said at the HSS, the Sangham, the Rashtriya
Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh?
Hindu
Oh,
Swayam Sangh. So
Vishwa
they-
Hindu Parishad.
Vishwa
Okay.
Hindu Parishad. So, and this has all the, great warriors and the poets, they are mentioned here. And this is the part of the Itihasa Bhugola syllabus. That is also something that I teach. So in Itihasa, we teach all these characters and all these people and we talk about
Okay. When you say Itihasa, it is as a part of Valmiki Ramayana, or when was this
them. No,
written?
Itihasa is as a subject, history.
Uh-huh.
So the part of history. So we
Part
we
of
teach-
Srishti. Oh, got it.
Okay. And Bhugola. Bhugola is geography. So again in geography we cover these parts. So what are the rivers flowing in India and what are the rivers, what are the mountains and all those things we talk about.
Everything was covered.
Yes.
I was following, they're all devotees of Lord Ram.
Correct.
And then the places of where Ram had gone. And the places, did you all get to see last week when the Rama came from Ayodhya to give Akshata to everybody?
Yes.
Were they blessed to,
Yes,
did they come
yes.
to your school?
Yes, they did come to VPSS. They came to our school as well.
I see.
We all were
That's
blessed.
Wonderful experience. I know I kind of, looking forward to having the children. Last 2 weeks we have been kind of I had already allocated. But this Sunday I was so fortunate. I just have no words. I wish I had got them gifts to give them, but I am going to compensate by giving it to you after I kind of this week.
Thank you for giving us this
I'll
opportunity.
connect. And you all can come very often, okay? You like coming here? Yes?
Yes. You'd like to come back and
Say
do more slokas with us?
Speak it. Say yes.
Yes.
All right.
Good job. I look forward to you. And other children can also get inspired looking at you, right? So that way you guys are going to be spokesperson for our Sanatan Dharma, which I think your teacher is doing a wonderful job. And all the parents who took interest in having the kids come and, chant and learn. And this is going to be an excellent way of promoting our Sanatan Dharma to the entire community. And the example of children should really reflect on the elders to learn Sanskrit.
Absolutely. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Taraji, for having us. It was a great honor.
Yes, as I said, I welcome the younger generation to participate. Any other time also, we shall make it a schedule so that I'll be lovely to
Yes.
get them on air.
Definitely. We'll come back here with some Sanskrit conversations and we'll talk about in Sanskrit, right? All ready?
Oh yeah, they're all
great.
ready to come back.
Well, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Wonderful. Introduce their names one more time.
Oh, yeah.
I want to write
Okay.
it down, but I want to also write this to the newspaper that how well they get trained. And what in Tamil we call it Ucharip. I don't know what you say in Malayalam.
Ucharanam. In Sanskritam we say Ucharanam.
Uchcharam.
Ucharanam.
Utsaham.
Ucharanam.
Ucharam, correct. Now I get it. I forgot the word. And that Ucharanam is very important in Sanskrit.
Correct.
Ra. There are so many ways that you can say the Ra. And the way you spell it, the meaning changes. So So that way, that Ucharipu was excellent, and they're all very gifted and blessed. That's all I could definitely say that. I recorded it actually. Only thing is, I have to convert it into my USB drive. I'm having trouble. She's going to help me maybe next week.
Okay.
So I can get the recording to you all. Thank you guys. Namaskaram.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaskar.
Dhanyavad.
Their names, right? So now tell your names in English and your age.
Okay,
Say
just
in English, each of you.
you want to say one Shanti mantra?
Yeah, Shanti Mantra Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina.
Yeah, let's all repeat together. Tu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
Shri Gurubhyo
Namaha. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
you.
See you,
Listeners,
Simati.
I'm going to put this
Simati.
music for all of you. Do you wanted to say something? No, okay. And let me bring you this song and we will be back with you shortly.